PayMaya registration. Paano gumawa ng PayMaya account? And kung bago ko sa channel na to and gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na katulad nito, please click the subscribe button. So, gamit ko ngayon yung cellphone ko and mag-register ako sa PayMaya. First, kailangan ko munang i-download yung PayMaya sa Play Store or sa App Store. Ito siya. And I'll tap install. And na-download and na-install ko na yung PayMaya na app dito sa cellphone ko. So, I'll close this and nandito na siya agad. And I'll tap this para makapag-proceed tayo sa registration. And I'll create an account. And ilalagay ko lang dito yung information about me, my first name, last name, yung active na mobile number ko, and also mag-create din ako ng password. And for email address, optional lang naman to, pero lalagyan ko na rin siya ng information. And for the password, mas maganda na i-tap nyo tong I na icon sa dulo para ma-verify nyo kung tama talaga yung password na nilagay nyo dito. So, I'll hide this again. And for email address, ang ilalagay ko dito is yung active na email address ko. Ito yung Gmail account nyo, pwede rin Yahoo account. And after ko i-tap yung next na button, napunta ako sa Data Privacy Policy. So, ito yung Terms and Conditions. And medyo mahaba-haba to. Meron kang option na basahin to. Pero sa akin, babalik ako and I'll go ahead and check this one. And tap agree. And nag-send down ng one-time PIN sa cellphone ko. So, i-enter ko lang dito yung code. Itong one-time PIN, by the way, is for security purposes. So, make sure lang ni PayMaya na active yung phone number na ginamit mo and sa'yo rin yung phone number na ginamit mo. And I'll tap proceed. So, for invite code, lagi ko yung 420165J. And itong invite code na to or referral code, ang gagawin ni PayMaya is magbibigay siya ng 50 pesos for free sa akin and also sa'yo. So, take 50 pesos tayo. Yung sa'yo, makukuha mo yung 50 pesos as mentioned here after mo makapag-upgrade and makapag-add ng money sa account mo. So, later on, i-check natin yung pag-upgrade ng account. So, na-enter ko na yung invite code na 420165J. So, I'll submit invite code. And your invite code has been accepted. You'll get 50 pesos gift after you successfully upgrade and add money to your account. So, ito, mag-upgrade na tayo ng account. So, upgrade my account. And, pag nag-upgrade ka ng account sa PayMaya, pwede ka na rin magpadala ng pera sa ibang PayMaya users. Pwede ka na rin mag-withdraw ng pera from any BankNet ATM. And yung limit ng PayMaya wallet mo, madadagdagan siya from 50,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos. Again, yan yung limit ng PayMaya na wallet nyo for every month. So, ang step 1 is complete and verify your personal information. And yung step 2 naman is kailangan i-verify yung identity natin. So, I'll tap next. So, ano yung mga kailangan para ma-upgrade yung account mo or para ma-verify yung account mo? So, kailangan mo i-complete yung personal information mo. Kasali dito yung birthday mo, yung birthplace mo, and other information. IDs. For IDs, andito yung complete list. Pwede yung driver's license, pwede yung PRC ID, passport, postal ID na in-issue simula noong 2015. Nag-expire kasi yung postal ID, ang alam ko. I'm not sure kung recently hindi na siya nag-expire. Also yung SSS ID with photo or UMID ID. So ito yung list of valid ID na ina-accept para makapag-proceed sa PayMaya registration. So I'll go back. And yung third dito is verify your identity by recording a selfie video. So kung 18 years old ka naman, kailangan meron kang birth certificate na ready. And also kailangan din i-download yung form and kailangan may pirma nung parents mo. So ito yung form na yan. If you're below 18 years old, kailangan mo ilagay dito yung name mo, birthday, mobile number, and email address. And also ilalagay din yung information about your parent or yung guardian mo. And dito sa baba, kailangan naman siyang i-sign or pirmahan. So I'll go back. So I'll tap next. So for middle name, optional lang naman to. So I'll leave this blank since sabi nga optional siya. Hindi naman required. For date of birth, kumpletuhin ko na rin to. And I'll tap OK. For place of birth. And for work, for source of income, salary, and nature of work is... And for work, kailangan i-provide dito yung source of income, sa akin salary, and then provide other details here like nature of work and name ng company na pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo. For source of income, maraming option dito like for students especially, pwedeng allowance, Pwedeng business proceeds, commission, for salesperson to, donation, government aid, inheritance. For government aid, normally ito yung mga nare-receive natin na tulong mula sa gobyerno. And marami pang options dito. And I'll tap next. And lagay ko naman dito yung current na mailing address ko or kung saan ako nakatira. And I'll tap next. Oops. And zip code, kumpletuhin ko lang. And for permanent address, pareho lang naman yung present address ko sa permanent address. So, sa inyo, kung magkaiba yung permanent address ninyo, pwede nyo itong i-uncheck and provide other information here for your permanent address. So, since pareho sa akin, I'll go back and check this and tap next. And nandito na tayo sa part kung saan i-upload na natin yung primary ID or 2 secondary IDs. So, for primary ID, ito yung list niya. So, sa akin, UMID. And kumpletuhin ko lang yung the rest ng details. And for expiration date, walang expiration yung UMID ID. So, I'll leave this blank. And kailangan ko i-upload yung picture ng ID ko. So, i-ready ko na lang din yung camera. So, I'll tap take. And allow. So, ito yung guidelines about taking your ID photos. So, dapat yung information sa ID is the same sa pin-provide mo during registration dito sa PayMaya. Yung ID is not expired. And for the rest of information here, dapat maayos yung pagkakakuha mo sa ID mo. Dapat malinaw siya. And dapat ganito yung pagkakatake sa kanya. Hindi siya yung ganitong third na option. So, yung first and second, yung magandang kuha for ID. So, I'll tap X. And I'll use this photo. And this time, yung back naman ng ID. And use this photo. And I believe sinunod ko instruction, malinaw naman yung pagkakakuha, nababasa yung pangalan ko dun sa ID. And also vertical din yung pagkaka-take ko dun sa photo. And for selfie naman, so I'll record myself. And na-record ko na yung sarili ko. So, ang ginawa ko is tinanggal ko yung salamin ko para marinaw yung face ko dun sa video. And also, i-follow nyo lang instruction. Yumuko kayo and then tumingala and also look sideways sa kanan and sa kaliwa. And I'll tap next. So, almost done na tayo. So, kailangan ko lang i-review itong information na to. Dapat tama yung spelling, tama yung birth date. And I think tama naman lahat. So, I'll tap submit. And automatically napunta ako dito sa login page. So, I'll enter my password na ginawa ko kanina. And I'll tap login. And I'll tap submit. So, nagkaroon ako ng error. Kailangan ko raw i-re-enter yung house building number. So, it's about my address. And a maximum of 30 characters lang. So, sundin natin yon. So, I'll go back. And another back. And ito yung address ko. So, hindi ko alam kung 30 characters to. So, kailangan kong bawasan. Mali yung spell. And I'll tap next. And next. And I'll tap submit. And here's the confirmation. So, we got your application. Kindly give us a maximum of 72 hours to review and evaluate your application. So, ito yung validation code. And sabi dito, in case na wala tayong ma-receive na feedback within 72 hours, pwede tayong kumontak sa customer service nila for a follow-up. So, I'll tap done. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And sa next video namin, ipapakita namin kung ano yung next na nangyari, kung nagkaroon ba ng issue sa account or kung hindi pa siya na-approve. And also, i-take advantage na rin natin yung mga features na meron dito sa loob ng PayMaya account. And this is Lou from investlibrary. Until next time, bye-bye!